Now let's learn how to get full screen display. We can hide our mobile, home key, back key and recent key. After we can get full screen display. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to display option. In here, scroll down little bit. After click on navigation bar option. Now you can see we are using buttons method. You can click on this step gestures mode. After we can get full screen display like this. If you want to go to back, you can tap your mobile edge like this. And if you want to go to home screen, you can tap your mobile bottom area like this. If you want to open your recent application, you can tap and hold your finger to your home screen middle area like this. After you can see your all recent applications.